All right, drink we're about to make is called a Ruby Slipper. And the first thing we'll do is go ahead and set up a shot glass. We're going to fill it up actually 3/4 of the way, with whiskey. And we're going to top it off with some grenadine. Should give it a nice red color there. All right, now we're going to take a glass. Go ahead and fill it however high you want. You just want to make sure that it's higher than the height of a shot glass. In this case, I just did a full can of lemon lime soda. And what we're going to do is take our shot glass and we're going to drop it in and we're going to drink. And we should have a nice ruby red color when we drop this in. So let's go ahead and set that up and give it a drop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And look at that. Just like we hoped. A nice red ruby slipper. Bottoms up.